Hi everybody, it's Julie. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Messy Desk. If you've been here before, welcome back, and thank you so much for returning. You know how we do this. I have an idea. It's something we've done before, but I wanted to do it a little different. We're going to do a fabric flip with a stack-a-note. I'm going to be using my page here from the DearJulieJulie Digital Angel Kit. And so now remember, I'm actually making an idea journal for my December challenge. So this is one of the things that I need to do. It's number 9 on the list. And what I was thinking is it might be kind of cool to have it look like my flip is actually in the hands of this little angel. So I'm thinking this is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to put that there. But at the same time, I need a stack-a-note. So I'm going to take at least 3 pages of note paper. This time I am going to use all 3 the same. And I need to cut them also to fit. Okay, now I also, let's see, I'm going to go with this angle here. So from here, and then I'm going to come up and find out where that hand lies in the trajectory. And then I'm going to fold it over, okay? Okay, so that's where I'm going to be cutting. And I've cut just down, just to the inside. I think I have way more than 3. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut here. And then, let's see, here, okay? So I need to fold this over to get a good line. Okay, so straight, straight. Line it up. And I'm going to cut my note paper. Okay, so that it will fit just like that. That's what I was thinking. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to cut this down a little bit because I do want to see the hands if I can. Okay. Okay, so I'm thinking in there and then up there. And you know how it happens when you're trying to cut a stack, sometimes they flare over. So yeah, so there we go. I like that. Okay, so for our stack-a-note, okay, I'm going to save these and I'm going to throw all those away. I'm going to move my scissors, grab my glue. Okay, so we're going to go with just a regular glue. And we're going to start with the bottom one and put glue across. Now your stack-a-note needs to be at least 3. And this this is meant to be so that you can write in here and tear it off if you wanted to. Or it can just give you more pages. I actually came up with this when I was making a purse journal. It's one of the things that I put in those. We haven't done one of those in a while. We have not made a purse journal. in a while. Well, I didn't carry, it didn't go anywhere for a while, so I didn't carry a purse, so didn't need one. But list journals and purse journals are my favorite gifts to give. List journals, we made one on Thursday at the live. Okay, so now we could go in and cut this so that that would, oh, I like that idea. I think we'll do that. I think we'll do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go in. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully I don't mess up the whole rigmarole here. Okay. Okay, and I'm not gonna go with all the super detailed out of the way. But one of the things I really do like to do is just like this, is to cut a pocket in. This time I'm not cutting a pocket, I'm actually gonna cut, and I'm gonna use that garland okay, so we'll pop that up. Okay, and we might have to move to go over even a little bit more. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this under here. Okay, so come up. So it's like it's being held. Okay, so there's our stack-a-note part. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we're going to come, and this needs to be held down. We're going to hold it down right underneath this ledge here. Okay, hold it right under that ledge. We can put this back up. Okay, I'm going to even it out to the bottom. And, okay, so the bottom part is taken care of. And we're not done here. We're going to have to do something else. But for our fabric flip part of this, we are going to want to also go up and under. Okay. So I'm going to put it like that. Now, because it's fabric, we're going to want to pull out our fabric tack or other fabric type of glue. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that along that edge. Okay. And this was in my scraps. This is a digital that we put on fabric. A couple years ago, we did a fabric journal in February. Now, what I'm thinking is when your pages are actually going to go up like that. Oh, and looks like we've got one that is somehow not. I was wondering, it just didn't seem like I had closed off enough of those, but there we go. Okay, so then we're going to come over here and find the other side of that one that is not attached. and we'll attach it, no problem. Okay, so that is attached. Then we're going to come down here and we'll put glue on the fabric flip. Okay. Okay, so there's our fabric flip. And so now we need to give it 3 enhancements. And I think for one of the enhancements, I'm going to take the star stamp that we've been using in the Yasumoto stamp pad. And I'm just going to stamp the top one down here. Okay, with the gold stars. We've got gold stars here. I think that's kind of fun. Maybe we'll do a couple of them. Okay, so yeah, so adding the stamp, that is a good addition. Let's see. I think we can add a little bit of our fun little lace down here. Again, we need to grab out the fabric tack and we'll go across. Okay, and then we'll take this. This is the one that we've been using most in this journal. I like to use similar things throughout that kind of bring things together, make it cohesive. Okay, so we've stamped, we've added that, and then I think just for some fun, we're going to go ahead and glitter the garland. I just think that that will be really pretty. So I'm using fingernail polish here. It is an old Mary Kay fingernail polish that I had. Really fine gold glitter. I used to get the gold glitter fingernail polish at Dollar Tree, and they don't have it anymore. I had this in my stash. I think I might have one more of it. And then I'll have to probably, I don't want to pay, you know, a lot of money for the, to have it. I think we'll do their wings also. Okay, and that'll give me my 3 embellishments or enhancements. So your fingernail polish and your, if we just inked the page, that would be an enhancement. Right now I'm going to leave the white edge on the page because I don't know how it's going to look in the journal where it's going. Whether we need to cut it or we need to add gold to it. But there you go. I think we'll add it on here also, just on the green. Okay, so this is for my idea journal, and that way I can look at that and go, oh yeah, I can use fingernail polish, or yeah, when I'm struggling for an idea. But there we have, using the paper, the page, we have a fabric flip with a stack-a-note. Okay, and so I'm going to leave this right now. Obviously, we need to add it to something. This could go into the center of the journal and could become a large pocket. But probably what's going to happen is I will do another embellishment idea on the other side. So, yeah, so there is my fabric flip with Stack-A-Note. And that's all that I needed to do for that. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas Eve. Hoping we're having dinner with the boys tonight, hopefully. And because they'll go home tomorrow on Christmas Day. So yeah, I wish you many blessings and a chance to be grateful for all of the amazing things that you do have. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas, everybody. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.